What if I told you the dirtiest thing in your bathroom isn't what you think it is, and that every time you use it, you could actually be hurting your ears? As audiologists, we like to joke, the only thing you should ever put in your ear is your elbow, and there is a reason why we say that. The truth is, millions of people have been misled about earwax. You've been told that it's unhygienic and needs to be scrubbed away, but that simple mistake is causing ear infections, hearing loss, and even painful eardrum injuries, all because one little bathroom habit. So in this video, I'm going to bust the biggest myths about earwax, explain why your ears are smarter than you think, and show you the safe way to keep them healthy. Stick with me, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you care for your ears forever. Hi, I'm Dr. Layne Garrett, founder of Timpanogos Hearing and Tinnitus in Utah. First things first, I want to bust the biggest myth out there, that earwax is dirty. So many of us see it as a sign of bad hygiene, something that's gross that needs to be scrubbed away, but the truth, earwax, or cerumen as we call it in the medical world, is actually your ear's built-in bodyguard. Seriously, earwax isn't dirty. It's a natural protective goo your body makes for a very good reason. This stuff is a fantastic lubricant which stops the delicate skin in your ear from getting dry and itchy. It's also antibacterial and antifungal, meaning it actively fights off germs to prevent nasty ear infections. Best of all, it works like nature's flypaper, trapping dust, dirt, and whatever else that tries to sneak in there before it can cause real trouble. So that gunk you're so desperate to get rid of, it's literally your ear's first line of defense. That brings me to myth number 2, and honestly, this one's dangerous. The idea that cotton swabs are meant for cleaning the inside of your ears. I mean, it says right on the box not to do it. Using a swab in your ear canal is like trying to clean a tiny hallway with a battering ram. You're not getting rid of the mess, you're just shoving it further down where it can't get out. Every time you stick a Q-tip in there, you're ramming wax, dead skin cells, and debris deeper and deeper, packing it right up against your eardrum. This can cause a blockage or an impaction, which leads to pain and that annoying full feeling and even hearing loss. And in a worst case scenario, one little slip of the hand can perforate your eardrum, a super painful injury that can cause bleeding and long-term hearing problems. Something that I did when I was 3 years old. So if you're not supposed to be cleaning your ears with Q-tips, how on earth are they supposed to stay clean? This is where it gets really cool. See, your ears clean themselves. The skin inside your ear canal grows in a special way. It moves outward from the center of your eardrum like a tiny, slow-moving conveyor belt. This natural process gently carries the old earwax away, along with any of that trapped dust or debris right out of your ear. Simple things you do every day like chewing your food, talking and yawning, actually help move things along. Once the wax reaches the outside, it just dries up and flakes away. When you interfere with this perfect little conveyor system, you're just getting in the way of your body doing its job. If you're finding this helpful, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell hit. I post videos every week to help you protect your hearing, treat your tinnitus, and your overall health. So what is the right way to care for your ears? For most of us, the answer is beautifully simple. Just leave them alone. Just let your body's amazing self-cleaning conveyor belt do its thing. Now, if you see a little bit of wax on the very outer part of your ear and it's bothering you, the safest thing you can do is take a damp washcloth and gently wipe the outside. That's it. Never, ever stick anything into the ear canal. This brings me back to the golden rule that audiologists and doctors like me have been shouting from the rooftops for decades. Once again, never put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear. Of course, sometimes the system doesn't work perfectly, and you should absolutely get professional help. If you start feeling symptoms like a constant fullness or a blockage, an earache, ringing in your ears, or dizziness, or you've noticed that your hearing is getting a little bit worse, it's time to call a doctor or an audiologist. A professional can look safely inside your ear and see if there's a real blockage and use specialized tools to remove it without hurting you. Please, don't try to solve a serious earwax impaction at home. And while we're talking about bad ideas, let's just say it. Ear candling is a huge no. It's completely ineffective and incredibly dangerous. Studies show it doesn't create a vacuum, and it can cause serious burns or even a puncture of an eardrum. So here's my challenge to you. After watching this, go to your bathroom and make the brave decision to throw your cotton swabs away. Your ears know exactly what they're doing, and it's time we all started trusting them. If this video busted a myth that you believed your whole life, once again, hit the like button and subscribe, and share with a friend or family member who still thinks they need to clean their ears with cotton swabs. And tell me in the comments, what other hearing or health myths should I bust next? Trust me, your ears will thank you for it.